no dividers on this. Now, we're going to start with this shell. There should be 3 of them, remember? Everybody take a shell, and look what I wrote right here, cut this line. So, you're going to cut this line like this. And then now we're going to finish cutting out the rest of the circle. Can everybody cut out the rest of the circle? Okay guys, listen up. Good. Just like this. Everybody should have this now, right? From here, I want you to fold along the black lines that I provided. And the space with an X, you're going to put behind the other ones. So you put this behind. Now, I'm also going to put some glue on this. And you can see now, this is what I call a quadrant. How many of these are required to make a full shell? Who can guess? Alright, we have 3 other brown pieces of paper, and you need to do the same to all 3 brown pieces of paper. These brown pieces of paper folded like a shell, and this is where your academic work is going to be. This is academic work, as you can see from your directions. Here's the teacher page. Every person in your group is going to need a different assignment. This is quadrant A. Quadrant B is vocabulary with the blank space. You see that blank space for the word? Quadrant C and D are going to be right here. And honestly, the order doesn't truly matter. I just was trying to break up work into various sections. So you're going to end up gluing this together. Once it's glued together, that's going to be a separate. You're going to take what I call the belly or the stomach of the turtle. We will probably assist you with an X-Acto knife, but you are going to be cutting out this square, this square, this square. Now, let's read this belly really carefully. Questions related to the federal government, questions related to the state government, questions related to the local government. The idea of this project, remember, is to help prepare you for the exam. So these are going to be 5 essential questions and answers in regarding the local, state, and federal government, totaling 15 in total. And this is going to be put together with the cardstock green. Okay? I will explain that in a second. So once we have the 4 shells together and you have your academic work inside, they're glued together. You can put it to the side for a second. You take the yellow piece of paper with the scissors cut out, and the green piece of paper, which is still a whole circle. You put them on top of each other with the gold pin there. Now you have a review guide with the essential questions. Then the answer will be there. Then the essential question. And then the answer will be there. Following that, you can glue this here, and we will do this much slower, and when I actually help you, this here. And these are done. You know how to fill these out based on your rubric within your information packet. And when the shell is put on together, what does it make? What does it look like?
Una tortuga.
Una tortuga, see? Alright, let's see if I can get a better picture of that. See? And it's going to be done really nicely. Okay? Now, guys, don't forget this is all based on the academic things within, and I provided you a word bank. Everybody needs to pick a quadrant. The only quadrant that's special is this one. This has to be vocabulary because I gave you a lot of space to write the vocab with. And there's 5 sections, you'll notice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to be doing a Frayer model type event there where you write the definition, synonym, antonym, use the word in a sentence, and draw a picture. I want you to pick one of these words, and I want everybody to write the word checks and balance, okay? Do we have any questions?